Yo, what's up guys? So I'm back with another vlog after a long time. I've been busy lately and I haven't had the time to vlog. So what we're gonna do today is I'm going to work out and then I have to cut hairs because my hairs don't look that good. So I have to cut hairs and after that, yeah, we'll see.
Let's go!
By the way, the business update, it's not going that well because I haven't signed a client yet. But yeah, we'll see.
Oh! Odin's son!
You had one job.
Just the one?
But yeah, we'll see. I'm actually pretty active on Discord, so I might create a Discord channel for the community. So if you guys want, you can join it. The link is gonna be in description. You can join the Discord channel. We can chat there. I'm gonna be active there, and I'm gonna be more active in the vlogs too, because yeah, the vlogs are important. I have to keep you guys updated. My English isn't going that well too, because I haven't talked in English that much. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you at the ground where I'm gonna work out. Okay, so I'm almost at the ground. It's just a few meters away. I can see my friends actually are working out. I actually lost my glasses in the bus, so I can't see them that well. I don't know if they're really my friends, but yeah, it seems like that. Okay, the police is here too. Yeah, I mean, by the way, I live in a beautiful place actually. It's one of the most beautiful places in Europe. It's called Südtirol. I don't know what I think in English it's called South Tyrol. So you can search it up. It's a beautiful place, beautiful mountains, beautiful views, Pandoras, everything. And yeah, I'm at the ground. As you can see, this is where I actually train. I don't go to gym. I mean, I don't have time to go to the gym. I mean, there are all excuses, but I mean, it's better here because I can come in whenever I want and, you know, leave whenever I want. The gym, the open times and all that, that's not that good. Yeah, I'm gonna work out now. I'll see you guys later. Okay, so I just did my cardio and now I'm gonna try a calisthenics move. So the move is this. So I'm gonna jump from that one to this one. I don't know if you can see, yeah. So I'm gonna jump between those two, from that one to this one, and yeah.
Boring!
I actually did it one time, so I'm gonna try it again. This time I have some chalk with me. It's liquid chalk, and yeah, I'm gonna try it again. And this time I'm gonna record it so you guys can see it. Okay, let's try it. Did it. This. I just ripped my fucking skin off.
Oh! Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Looked that good. Yeah. Okay, so I just put on my tape. As you can see it, and I don't know what I should do now. Like, I can't jump obviously because yeah, it hurts, and I'm gonna rip it off again. So I think I should just do some weight exercises and all that, like calisthenics. For example, dip ups, push ups, and then some jump ropes. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later. Alright, so I just finished my workout, and now I'm heading over to the shop where I'm gonna cut my hair. So I don't know what the shop is called, but yeah. I mean, as I said, my English is not that good, but yeah, I mean, I'm heading over there just to get a view. Like, this is where I live. So it's mountain. This is a church, and that's the city over there. And yeah, it's a beautiful place actually. It also has a lot of beautiful parks here. I'm gonna vlog actually. I'm gonna show you the beautiful stuff about Südtirol, South Tyrol, and yeah, I'm heading over there, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, so I got my hair cut, and they look actually pretty good.
Minecraft. I like your cut, G.
and now I'm heading back. To where I live, my house, and yeah, I bought this packet of peanuts, nuts, and
These nuts.
yeah, I'm gonna eat those.
Nuts.
You gotta eat some good stuff, healthy stuff, and yeah, now I'm heading over to home, and I'm gonna do some business stuff, and we'll see. I mean, many people will think that I will quit, and that's not the case. I'm never gonna quit. I'm not gonna quit. Just that until I don't make it. Like, I have to make my first few clients, and then we'll see. But yeah, this was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, peace.